Hi everyone, this is Cassie from RinPac. Welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about cannabis tincture packaging. The primary purpose of them is to ensure the safety of consumers. It includes THC and CBD, which needs proper packaging to prevent accidental ingestion, especially by children and pets. Moreover, cannabis tincture packaging plays a crucial role in preserving the quality and the potency of the product. They are often light sensitive, and exposure to light can degrade the cannabinoids, diminishing their effectiveness. Packaging that is opaque and UV resistant shields the tincture from harmful light, ensuring that the product remains potent and consistent in its therapeutic effects. If you are interested, please contact us. I will see you next time. Bye bye.